In this video, we're going to be talking about the 5 cleaning habits that changed my life. These cleaning habits are just habits that you do every day to keep your space clean and to keep your space organized. Stay tuned. So the first thing that you want to do is to be constantly editing your space. Yeah, that's a YouTuber in me talking because I'm always editing. But yeah, edit your space as in always be getting rid of stuff that you're not using. So for example, like magazine, kids toys that you know your kids ain't have interest in those toys anymore. Don't just have them hanging around, get rid of them. Clothes, you keep buying clothes, you realize that the ones that you had before you're not wearing anymore, get rid of them. Shoes, the same thing. Purses, just get rid of them. So while you're bringing in stuff, make sure that you're letting go of stuff. So therefore you're editing your space, right? Always looking for stuff to get rid of. Mess attract mess. So you come in through the door, you put your keys down, you put down the mail on the table, and you just keep adding to it, because what? Mess attracts mess. But if you just deal with it right now, don't tell yourself, oh, I'll take it up later, I'll sort it out later. Sort it out right now. Then you wouldn't have to deal with it later, and your space will always be clean and tidy. So as I said, that's like common for tabletops and countertops, just to be cluttered. You can't see the table, you can't see the corner, you have mails, magazine, your coffee mug that you brought in from the car just sitting there, your purse. Mess attract mess. So if you try to put away the stuff as soon as you get in where they belong, so you put the coffee mug in the dishwasher, put your purse in the closet, just do it right then and there. You won't have to deal with it later, and you'll have a clean, organized space. Whenever you're shopping for cleaning products, make sure you read your labels. Read the labels, pay attention to them, and use it correctly. And also get in the habit of buying stuff that you really love. So therefore you're gonna be excited to use them. Like for example, I just bought myself one of those microfiber duster, and I'm so excited to use it. I'm not gonna use it now because I'm sick. As you can hear, I'm fully congested, so I'm not gonna use it at the moment, but I can't wait to use it, because I realized that my tabletops have been accumulating dust, and I'm like, okay, I need a duster. So I bought one, and now I'm so excited to use it. So whenever you're buying cleaning supplies, make sure that you buy stuff that you're happy to use, excited to use. That is gonna make you want to clean more. You know, that's gonna get you in the mood more. So even like liquid supplies, like your all-purpose cleaner or your floor cleaner, your toilet bowl cleaner, just make sure that you buy stuff that you like and read the label, people. Please read the label, because you cannot be out here mixing chemicals. That's dangerous, okay? So make sure that whenever you buy a product, use it as directed and do not mix chemicals. When you're cleaning, if you create a system, even if it's in your head, in your mind, you just tell yourself like, okay, I'm gonna do this first, do that first. When you break it up in your mind, it goes so much faster. You're gonna cut your cleaning time in half. I'm gonna share with you right now how you can break it up. So first, you're going to tidy and declutter. Second, you're going to clean and disinfect. And then third, you're going to remove all the garbage and clean the floors. So that's your last step. Floor should be the last thing you're cleaning. And remember, you clean from top to bottom. So therefore, that makes it that your floor is the last thing that you clean, or if you're gonna vacuum or whatever. So when you break it up like that, it just makes it so much easier, so much faster, and so much more efficient, and you just speed through it and you'll be done. And the last tip is set a timer when you're cleaning. A timer is just gonna help you to know that, okay, I ain't gonna be doing this forever, I'm gonna be doing this for 30 minutes. So you know within yourself you're gonna be doing this for 30 minutes, so you want to get as much done as possible. So you're gonna be speeding through, you're gonna get that energy, that boost of energy that you need, and you're just gonna beat through it to be done as much as you can within that 30 minutes. Because when that timer goes off, wherever you were, wherever you are, you're gonna stop. No more cleaning when it hit the 30-minute mark. Also, whenever you're cleaning and you're in the zone, it also helps to entertain your brain. So you could be listening to music. A lot of people does that. I do that too. Like just turn on the music and blast it, and you just completely zone out. You're just in the zone, you're just in the mood, and you're just cleaning. You don't even remember that you're cleaning, you don't even feel that you're cleaning, you're just in the zone, you know. So you can entertain your brain, play music, or you can listen to a podcast, your favorite podcast, you know, just whatever you can do to occupy your brain, just to take your brain off the task, you know, cleaning. There you have it, guys. These are the 5 habits that I practice every day that completely changed my life. I cannot deal with mess, so therefore I have to come up with a system. I have to come up with a plan how I'm gonna keep my space clean each and every day and organized. So I hope this video is helpful, and if it was, please leave me a comment down below. And if you're not yet subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. With that being said, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.